Welcome to the Shifu lightweight machine-to-machine tutorial. We'll cover 4 types of devices and how to send their data to the LwM2M demo server. First, we're going to connect the lightweight machine-to-machine device. Our goal is to connect the device, collect data from object ID, and send it to the LwM server. We'll start by finding the object ID from the official lightweight machine-to-machine repository on GitHub. We're collecting from a temperature sensor, so we'll use 3303. And the value ID is 5700. Now we know the ID we're trying to get is 3303/0/5700. We'll map it to sensor/value in device Shifu. Let's type in the object ID, specify the data type, and set the gateway property list. After that, we'll apply the configuration using kubectl apply-f. The device should appear in LwM server. And we'll run a mock client to generate LwM2M data. We should see the data in the temperature field. Let's go to object 5700 in LwM and click on read. There's the value. Next, we'll connect an MQTT device. Our objective is to connect from topic/speed in the MQTT broker, process it, and send it to 3 different objects in the LwM server. We'll open the MQTT customize config map and add the speed topic. We're going to send it to 3442/1/1130. We'll set up entries for x speed, y speed, and combined speed, which is the square root of x speed squared plus y speed squared. In our customized handler Python file, we'll define and implement 3 functions. One to extract x speed, one for y speed, and one to calculate the combined speed. Then, back in the config map, we need to map each instruction with their corresponding Python function names. Since we've added some Python customized handlers, we need to build the Docker image. After that, we can deploy our MQTT customized device Shifu. There it goes. Let's send the test topic with X angle and Y angle. We should be able to see the example topics getting populated. Let's send the test topic with X speed and Y speed values. We should be able to see all three topics getting populated in the listen server. Now let's connect an OPC UA device. We want to collect OPC UA's node ID and send it to an LwM2M object ID. We'll specify a new instruction called writable with ns equals 2, I equals 3, and map it to the writable API in device Shifu. We'll map this to object ID 3303/0/5601 with a float data type. After applying this configuration, we should see the OPC UA node ID with the value inside the listen server. Object 5700 is the value. 5601 is the new one we just added. And 5701 is the time. Lastly, we'll connect an HTTP device. We'll take the value posted to the root path and send it to the listen server with an object ID. Let's change the object ID we're posting to. Then apply the HTTP configuration device Shifu. The initial value of this object is 0. We'll use the curl to post to the server and change it to 1. When we read again from the listen server, we'll see it's now 1. Alright, that wraps up our tutorial on connecting various devices to the listen server using Shifu. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please reach out to us anytime.